Hi, hello, welcome to a new video. Today I will work on a printable calendar. So I wanted to make a calendar, but it's almost the end of the year. I'm a bit late for this, so I will just create one calendar and it will have all the months on one page, and I will also list it on my Etsy shop. I will do a floral design and maybe another one, but I will probably print out the floral one for myself. So yeah, I will use Procreate for creating the illustration, and then in Affinity Designer I will add all the months and everything. So yeah.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Love is an island, a never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? Oh. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Oh, I never had a love so fine. You mix it up with sugar and honey and spice. Oh, I wanna be a baby girl. I'll let you be my sugar, my honey, my whole damn world. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be leaking, but I'll be as happy as they come. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La
hope you like how the calendar turned out. And thank you so much for watching, and please give it a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more videos from me. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.